This is the ITC chart. Here you can see the EMA crossover has been taken here. Okay, so we can expect an up moment in this stock. In coming days, it can go upside. Okay, it can go upsides. Chances are more. Here you can see the MACD crossover also given. Here you can see histogram turned green and RSI rising 59, and here you can see stochastic also given up sign. Parabolic SAR is also started from below, that means bullish sign from the parabolic SAR. Okay, you can see it crossed above us, so we can expecting this to go higher ranges. So check out once this ITs, this can go up in coming days. Here you can see this is the resistance, that is 208.17 is the resistance. If this closes above or breaks this level and closes above, close should be above, one day close should be above these levels, and then it has chances to go up to 213. If 213 breaks, then we can expect up to 225, and if this also breaks, then this can go up to 230. Even this also breaks, then it may go on higher highs, making like that. So you can see the levels, okay, in the daily chart. In weekly chart you can see here it's like this downtrend only in weekly chart up to 234. It may go nearby in upcoming days. If that, then 260, then 300, then 369, and so on like that. Okay, here monthly also crossover has been given slightly. I will show you with zooming. Here you can see the pink line crossed above, that is the slight touch has been took. Monthly is also upside only showing. Okay, same targets in monthly also, 366 up to. Okay, so think and analysis yourself and do whatever you want.